9:27 a.m. and we're about to get ready to go to swim class for Zion, and Zidon's is later on this, not really afternoon, it's still in the morning, later on this morning. I'm just gonna make some avocado toast for breakfast. Not really hungry, so I'm just gonna make that again for breakfast because that's what we like to eat. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have me a chai latte or probably just drink some water. I don't know, I'm not really hungry today. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here this morning. Just today's Wednesday, and we're about to start our day. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then head to the swim classes and show you guys just a little bit of Zion and Zidon's swim class and what it consists of. But anyway, see you guys there at the swim class. Ooh, good job, Zion. Swim class for both boys, Zion and Zidon, and I am going to be making some dinner, and I think I'm going to be making like some garlic quinoa with some sweet potato that I'm going to re-roast, and because it was already cooked, but go ahead and grab it. It was already cooked, but I'm just going to cut it up into some squares and roast them with a little bit of olive oil and salt, black pepper in the oven. And probably gonna do like a tahini dressing on top and some asparagus, some fresh asparagus. So I'm gonna have that today. I'm not sure what other vegetable I want to have with it. Do I want to make some corn, or oh, I know what I was gonna do. I'm actually gonna fry up some plantain. So I have some plantain, and I'm gonna make fried tostones. So I'm gonna make that with the quinoa and veggies. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing. I got my quinoa on, and it's in my rice cooker. I like to cook my quinoa in a rice cooker. To me, I can just set it and forget it type of thing. So I just add water and salt and a clove of chopped garlic in there, and that's it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut up my sweet potato. of dressing do I want to have with this, like kind of Buddha bowl type of thing. So I think I'm gonna do tahini dressing, but I'm trying to decide how to flavor the tahini. But I have my tahini here. What's wrong, Nada? What? What's wrong? Hey. No, this you can't have this glass, okay? You can't have that. So while I was making the sauce, I was thinking I had some chickpeas in the fridge that I had cooked a while back. So I want to go ahead and use these and add them to the Buddha bowl. So I'm going to save the aquafaba that's in here because I like to use the aquafaba for other recipes. So if you have a can of chickpeas, especially organic chickpeas, or if you have dried chickpeas that you cooked on your own, definitely save the aquafaba, the water that the chickpeas were in, because you can use this as a egg white substitute or egg substitute in any baking dishes or anything that needs some type of egg substitute. You could use that. So it's really good. So save that aquafaba. Chickpeas, and I'm not sure what flavor I'm going to do yet, but it's probably going to be something kind of spicy or with cumin, because I'm just trying to match the flavors that I have going on. So I'm just going to try to figure out something. That's what I normally do anyway. I don't ever have like a exact thing that I'm making. It's just like turns into a masterpiece, I would say. But I got some garam masala, but that would taste good as well. But I think I'm gonna do some North African spices and add some cumin in there, and maybe some poultry seasoning to make it kind of have like a poultry taste. But I don't know if I'm gonna use any Ethiopian spices, but let's see, because the baby's gonna be eating it. I don't want it to be too spicy. But I'm just going to add some oil to my saute pan and kind of season the chickpeas up with the spices, and then we're going to add it to the bowl with the vegetables and then the tostones and drizzle the tahini dressing on top. So I'm going to show you guys the final product once I'm done getting everything together, and hopefully it tastes as good as I think it's gonna taste, how I have it in my head. And that's how I normally cook, is just like from the top of my head, and I just think of ingredients and different things like spices to put together, and it's just literally, I don't know, it's by taste buds and what's in my brain. So that's what I do. I don't never really have a set recipe. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and saute up these chickpeas.